Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KS127XT ALBS. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need a 12mm hex Allen wrench, diverter replacement part, KSRP1271D, and a needle nose pliers. By hand, turn bottom portion of the spout counterclockwise and carefully pull up to remove spout. Insert a 12mm hexagonal Allen wrench and turn counterclockwise to unthread the diverter sitting at the bottom of the well. Using needle nose pliers, pull diverter out. Insert new diverter into the well. Lock it in place by threading about 4 to 5 turns using a 12mm hexagon Allen wrench. Install spout by turning clockwise by hand. That's it, you have completed the diverter replacement.